Hey cocktail lovers, check out the Regal Trunk Cocktail Mixing Glass Set, a complete bartender kit designed for perfect drinks every time. This set includes a cocktail shaker, hawthorne strainer, Japanesejigger, barspoon, and a polishing cloth for easy cleanup. The mixing glass features a small spout for precise pouring, making it ideal for classic cocktails. Impress your guests with professional quality tools that bring confidence to your home bartending. The elegant yarai-patterned glass adds a stylish touch to your bar setup. Crafted to meet safety standards, this durable set ensures long-lasting performance. Elevate your mixology skills and create cocktails like a true pro with this superior barware collection. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.